Yep, that's Caitlin. She had never seen Spam come out of a can before. Forced my friends to make some Spam Musubi with me, and of course we had to use teriyaki sauce from Aloha Shoyu.
Sorry, what is your problem? My hand is all spammy.
Going like a medium high-ish. Megan was given the simple task of putting Spam on the frying pan, and she had to add her creative flair. No, Megan! I dare you to try a piece right now.
I don't think you can eat it raw.
Bro, yes you can.
Do it. Just prove it.
It's time to flip over the Spam when it has a nice golden brown on the outside.
Whoa!
We're gonna cook all the Spam first and then add the sauce in later. And normally I put the Spam on a paper towel to remove any excess oil, but we no get them, so.
What kind of sauce?
We are not using soy sauce today. We are using Aloha Shoyu's teriyaki sauce. Since we were on our last pieces of Spam on the stove, we could add the sauce in. And you can add more than Megan. Then let it simmer in that sweet, sweet soy.
Not all seaweed is created equal. Why can't you use the seaweed?
It's too small. It's 1/4 the size. Remember, all seaweed is not created equal. We're using the little bit of rice that we had left from dinner, and then I bought the Spam Musubi maker. It's just way easier this way. Stuff in as much rice as you want, and then use a little pusher downer thing to push it all the way through. Add the Spam on top, and then wrap it in seaweed. I'm purposefully not showing the Spam Musubi that I made, but it was so fun teaching my friends how to make our local favorite.